Okay, mag-review tayo ngayon para sa upcoming civil service exam. What is 4.5 of 60? Paano nga ba sinusolve yung ganitong klaseng problem? Ang gagawin lang natin is that we will multiply 4.5 by 60 dahil itong off natin is multiplication. At para mas mapadali yung ating solution, we need to convert this mixed number into decimal. Una, gawin nyo mo ng 4 yung ating whole number. At yung 1/2 natin, that is equivalent to 0.5. Meaning, that is simply 4.5 times 60. Manual multiplication lang to. Ang gagawin nyo lang dito is to multiply 4 times 60, that would be 240. And take note that meron pa tayong 0.5 dito na kailangan natin i-multiply kay 60. And to multiply 60 by 0.5, alam naman natin na ang 0.5 ay kalahati lang. Ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung kalahati ng 60, which is 30. So this will be 240 plus 30, and as you can see, the correct answer is 270. That is letter C. So I hope guys you learned something from this video and follow for more. By the way guys, available na rin pala ang ating CSE workbook. Kung naghahanda ka for the upcoming civil service exam, make sure na meron ka ng CSE workbook para maghihanda ka kung kukuha ka man ng sub-pro or professional for the upcoming civil service exam. Yun lang. Bye-bye!